So it turns out I started coughing at about 2 o'clock this morning, so you probably think I'm crazy, but I went down the stairs, got an onion, chopped it up, put some in a bit of cling film, wrapped them around my feet, and went back to bed, and I had a couple of bits just at the side of the bed as well. And my coughing did stop, but I'm still not 100% convinced, because I do feel better this morning, but it's not as if it's completely gone. I don't feel particularly ill, but I do feel like I've got a bit of a cold or something. Yeah, chop up onions, put them in your socks and sleep. There seems to be a lot of people commenting on this one. It's a bit of a strange remedy, but I think it does something, so it's definitely worth doing.